For the presentation of colors by the Celebration High School JROTC. The members presenting the colors are Cadet Technical Sergeant Stephen Lopez, Cadet Technical Sergeant James Claggett, Cadet Second Lieutenant Shu Yu Sung, and commanding tonight's color guard is Cadet Second Lieutenant Juan Santos. At this time, we ask that you remain standing, remove your caps, and honor America with the playing of our national anthem, which will be performed by the Celebration Eye of the Storm Marching Band.